Body types can vary. For this reason, using your exercise bike correctly and effectively starts with proper bike fit. With indoor cycling bikes, start by adjusting the seat to a proper seat height. Use the top of your hip bone on the side of your waist as a mark for seat height. If you know your inseam measurement, you can also use that as a good estimate for seat height. It's important to also be aware of your knee position as you complete each pedal stroke. If the knee is positioned too far behind the pedal or too far over the toes, riding could be uncomfortable. To fix this, simply rotate your pedals so they are in line with each other and measure the line down from your knee to your pedal on the foot that is positioned forward. Move your seat forward or backward depending on the position of your knee over your pedal. Your knee should be in line with the pedal spindle or about the middle of your pedals. A good setup should allow for about 25 to 35 degrees of knee flexion when you are in the downstroke while pedaling. If you find your arms are fully extended or locked out when you reach for the handlebars, you should adjust the handlebars so that they are closer to your body. Focus on setting your handlebars in a position where you can maintain a relaxed grip and soft elbows. A good place to start is to set the handlebars at the same height of your seat. If you find it difficult to maintain a neutral spine position while riding, raise the handlebars up to a comfortable point above seat height. An upright posture is always a safe position to be performing your cycling workouts. Rounding your back could cause users to increase their risk of developing poor posture and back pain. Keep your chest up with shoulders relaxed in a retracted position. A good indicator of proper shoulder position is to see that they are in line with your ears from a side profile view. To adjust your upright bike seat, use the same process as the indoor cycle bike. When using an upright bike, you should maintain a more upright posture compared to an indoor cycling bike. Always keep a light grip on the handlebars. To adjust your recumbent bike to fit your leg length, start by placing your heels on top of the pedal. With one leg, rotate the pedals until one side is furthest away from your seat. If your knee is still bent, move the seat back until your leg is fully extended. If you cannot reach the pedal when you rotate the pedal away from your seat, you need to move the seat forward. Place the front part of the bottom of your foot on the pedal to start pedaling in a reclined position. If your recumbent bike allows for handlebar adjustment, adjust the handlebars so you have relaxed elbows and a light grip on the handlebars.